This is the shockproof kickstand case from the folks at VICMARS. It's a great way to be able to give protection here to your newly acquired asset. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And to have something here that provides utility, as in the kickstand, and you're also able to use the accessories in the MagSafe. Before we jump into it here, VICMARS did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Let's go ahead and jump into this here and show what you can get yourself into. Unboxing is super straightforward here. It's made out of materials that can be recycled. What's nice is it comes with this two-piece case that's got an insole, silicone, and then a hardened TPU material. Pulling it out of the case here, you can see what you're getting yourself into. You've got this really hard, rigid TPU material that's got the metallic metal hinge and kickstand. And on the inside, you've got this insulation, which is silicone polycarbonate material here to be able to give you that maximum military-grade drop-proof protection. You got the MagSafe on the inside and outside here, so you're going to be able to still utilize those accessories as you need it. You got a punch out here for the camera. You've got obviously all three buttons now on the side. You've got the volume rocker and the action button as well as the power button. And then on the bottom side here, you've got the punch out for the I/O and speakers. I have the black titanium here. We're going to go ahead and place it here on the inside. It fits just nice and snug. As you can see on the back side, it does provide a nice protection. I love how it's like that sleek shadow, matte on matte look. Coming close to the camera array, as you can see, it provides you that ample protection. It does protrude out enough so it doesn't scratch your camera bump. And then on the other side here, as you can see, you've got a bezel that's about a 1/16 of an inch all the way around. It gives a little bit more of a thickness, but it's nice and cushioned here to be able to protect you. Showing off the kickstand case here, as you can see, we can go ahead and slap it up. It's gonna hold tight on your desk, not gonna move, it doesn't rock. And what's nice here is you can have it long ways so you can watch TikTok or your reels. You have all those options here as well. Now, if you wanted to jump into a couple of my favorite MagSafe related items, you can go ahead and check out a few of these here. I've got a charging bank that also acts as a content creation unit. This provides you a 5,000 milliamp battery. You hit the button, it's gonna start charging here. As you can see, there's the MagSafe charging at 5,000 milliamps, and then you've got this light here if you wanted to do selfie or take content, and then you've got a shutter button. From the folks at ShiftCam, they have this SnapGrip. If you wanted to do something that was like a desk buddy here, you've got this flip fold. This is the older version with the lightning cable. You still have access here to snapping it on there and getting the maximum Qi charging. You can also put your Apple Watch if you wanted to. Lastly here, you've also got the option here to use this tripod selfie stick. It's got adhesion with suction as well as the magnet, so it's gonna snap on there, no problem, and give you that really cool look here as well. You got a tripod, you've got a shutter button here, it extends here, and it's really nice. With that said, whatever you decide to go with, this is going to provide you ample security and protection in the event of a mishap. What I like about this is it's sleek and it matches my black titanium. This is a sponsored video. The folks at VICMARS did send this to me complimentary. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. You can check that out here as well as these other products here. Thanks so much for watching. This is Andy with Tech Influence.